Good morning and welcome to this channel Productivity Pro. This is the next video. Before I talk something about new technique on productivity improvement, let us recap the previous videos. In the first video, we discussed about the advantages of CNC networking and having a centralized computer for program storage. In that video itself, we discussed that Bluetooth is a very powerful tool or powerful protocol where nobody can hack or nobody can enter into your network system. This is a very secured protocol, even more secured than the Wi-Fi protocol. Then we discussed about Wi-Fi technology, where the number of machines are large. Then we discussed the DNC software, CIMCO DNC, and in the next video we discussed about CIMCO product for program editing. The product name is CIMCO Edit Professional. So having discussed all those things, by the time you must be aware or you must be familiar about the advantage of CIMCO products on productivity and program management, basically program management. Now today I am going to discuss a new CIMCO module which is called as NC-Base. Now having all the machines networked on a single computer, having installed CIMCO Edit Professional, if you install CIMCO NC-Base, it will have a lot of advantages. Basically, this NC-Base is nothing but a database wherein you can store different files like text file, NC file, your comments, tool data, tool file, all those things. And one more great advantage is whenever the operator is sending the NC file back to the unmanned PC for the storage purpose, this software will allow you to verify the file. In the sense, when the operator sends the file, it will not directly go to the designated folder. It will remain in the queue and the supervisor will check whether the valid modifications are to be accepted or to be rejected. So all the files coming from CNC will be in the queue form. It will be in the queue, and once it is approved, then only it goes to the respective folder of that particular machine. So this is one more very interesting feature. Second feature, of course, is not a feature of NC-Base, but practically it will be very useful. See, if you have got 2 or 3 CNC machines with the same control and with the same capability of manufacturing, and if one machine is under breakdown, then you would like to shift the entire job on the second machine on that particular day, let's say. So when you have a centralized storage of all NC program, you can immediately request the program from the first machine folder to the second machine folder. So you don't have to worry about the setup change and the part program required for the second machine. And as we discussed earlier, you can set the parameters in such a way that it will search the requested program in the master folder. If it is not there, it will then search in the shop folder. If still it is not found, then it will search in the unproven folder. So like that, you can also decide if the program is not available on CNC1 folder, then it will search in CNC2 folder and it will send that. Okay, then when the program comes to CNC, the operator should know from which folder it has come. So this kind of setting is also possible in the CIMCO system. So you will get information that this program has come from master or this program has come from shop. So all such settings are definitely possible. Another point which I missed in the last video is when you are having the tool room and if you are doing 3D jobs, so that drip feed mode or the continuous program execution from the unmanned PC is also possible, and not only for one machine but multiple machines are also possible to run from an unmanned desktop PC in a drip feed mode. There is one more interesting feature available in CIMCO on drip feed is, see, in our country there are situations like power failure. Now when the machine is executing a file which is in drip feed mode and power fails on the machine, then when the power again comes back, you have to normally start the program from the start. But CIMCO gives you the facility to track the program which has already been executed earlier, and then you can skip those lines and start the program from the point where the power was failed. Or maybe to avoid a certain ditch or certain mark on the component, you may ask CIMCO to start the program maybe 100 lines earlier or maybe 200 lines earlier. So all such facilities are available and they are settable on the site. So in short, today we have discussed the new software module called as NC-Base. In case you want more details, please contact us on 7972889960, or you can email me at digitechpune@gmail.com, digitechpune@gmail.com. So tomorrow again I will come back with another video for productivity improvement.